So I'm going to make homemade pizza tonight. I'm going to cheat a little bit because I'm going to use like a pita bread. Let me show you the ingredients. So the ingredients today are a couple of flatbreads, and then we've got tomato puree, garlic puree, onion, some chicken from Poundland reduced, and then some cheese. Chopped the onion. I've also done a clove of garlic. Grated some cheese. Got my chicken ready. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to spread some tomato puree. Now that's spread in. Just get a bit of garlic puree. I know I've got fresh garlic, but you can never have too much garlic, can you? I don't think so anyway. Right, let's pop the cheese on. I'm going to cook this in the air fryer. I'll leave it in there till the cheese is melted, but it's probably going to be about 10 minutes. That's the garlic. That's why I like buying these chickens, because there's so many different types of meals that you can do with them. Bit of salt. Bit of pepper. Bit of mixed herbs. So look, we'll have it. It fits perfectly on the tray that came with the air fryer. So I've just put another tray in underneath just to catch any drips. It's going to go in there, probably be about 15 minutes. How good does that look, eh? Now, honest opinion, does that count as pizza? Or is it just a posh flatbread? I'm going to cut a corner off just to try it. Oh, that is good. That is super sexy. That is a banging bit of pizza. Got a little bit of crunch from the base. Lots of tomato and garlic, which I love. So I'm going to enjoy that tonight. Anyway, if you like the video, give it a like. Also in the comments, let me know, pineapple, yes or no on pizza. Personally I don't, but I won't be offended if you do. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care, bye now.